Hello, my name is Shaoxuan Li. I will present the main ISP and the service part. This is uh, this is the PC3 IP address, subnet mask, and the default gateway. And for the main, uh, it enter the password. Oops, and enable enter the password and show room. As you can see, the host name is changed and enable the password, security password and no IP domain lookup. All interface is on, and LAN console password and the VTY password. After that, I will show IP route. As this show, the static route is on, and show SPF show IP was enabled, and the state is full. After that, I will show the ISP part password. Show assume the host name is changed and no domain lookup. All interface is configured, and the LAN console always get the password. After that, wait. Uh, Oops. Are we stop? No, no, no. Yeah. And show IP and show IP route. I think the stack is directly connect. And after that, I will show the PC3 servers can ping each PC. Yeah, I get the reply, and the same for the other PC. Oh, we get a true reply for this PC, and the third PC is pin 10.0.26. We get three reply from them, and also pin the loopback. Get the two feedback. The last thing is pin the default gateway is 10.0.22.1. It's 10.0.22. Yeah, we can pin the default gateway. And one more thing is like the face FE020 is outside net, and the interface fast Ethernet 0/1 is linked to IP net is inside. I think that's it.
Hello everybody, my name is Vishwajit Harish. I'll be explaining about the West Router Thermal switch and the network admin, that is PC1. So this is a configuration for switch where I've changed the host name, enabled class password as class as password, no IP domain lookup is also configured on the switch, so which helps in DNS resolution, and also message on delay is configured on this, and also the console password is set up, that is Cisco, and also logging synchronous is also set up on the switch, which helps in unwanted interruptions of the messages. And also the interfaces, I have assigned interface fast Ethernet 0/1 for VLAN 67 and 0/2 for VLAN 20 and 0/3 for VLAN 10, that is the student, which is currently not present in the network. And also interfaces gigabit Ethernet 0/1 and 0/2 are for west and east router respectively. So they have their ports that have port mode has been changed to trunk and has also native VLAN for 555 assigned for them. And these are the VLANs, VLAN 10, 20 and 67 and their respective IP addresses. And also this switch has a default gateway address configured. This is a configuration for switch. Now let's show IP int brief. This shows that all the interfaces that have been connected to the router are up and running. So even the sub interfaces are up and assigned IP addresses for them and are up and running. So now let's see, so IP route OSPF. This shows that the OSPF is enabled on this router via the OSPF is enabled and also has direct connections also. And also we can see show IP OSPF neighbor. So these are the IP OSPF enabled router neighbors. Now for network admin PC has the IP addresses as accordingly for the group 2, and also has a default gateway. Let's ping the default gateway for 10.0.22.33, and we get reply from the default gateway address. Then we can also ping PC2 10.0.20.2, and we also get reply from the PC2. We can also ping the PC3, that is the server 10.0.22.2. we get the reply from server as well. We can ping the PC2, that is 10.0.26.1, and we get reply from PC4 as well. We can also try pinging the loopback address set up on the ISP router, that is 1.1.1.1, and we successfully get the reply from this as well. So thank you.
Hi, my name is Yashpreet Kaur. My student ID is 2490679. I am a student 4 and I am going to present the case study of the branch which is connected to the zones and which is connected to the PC4, which is a student host. Additionally, I'm going to present the mains configuration and the NAT of the mains. Now, first of all, we're going to start with the basic configuration of the router. Here, show. First of all, we have configured the host name, which we given the name branch, enable secret. Here we have configured there is no IP domain look. Now we configured the interfaces. Interface 0/1.10, which is our student, and the IP address 10.0.26.10 to 55.25.0. and this is the interface 0x1.20 of the spare IP address 10.0.24.20 to 5.5.0, and this is the interface 1.67, and this is the IP address. And now we have configured the interface serial address and assigned the IP address of the serial. And also this is the IP route 0.0.0, 0.0.0, 10.0.7.5, and this is line VT. Now I'm gonna show verify the interfaces that they are functioning and the configuration are correct. So I'm going to use the command show IP interface brief. Here the interface 10 of students and the IP address, the status is up 1.20. For spare it's also up 1.67, it is also up, and the serial 0x0.08 is also up. That means the statuses are up. That means they are all functioning. Now next I'm gonna explore the routing table using the command show IP route. This table will tells us that how like all the networks are like presented with the correct IP address and they are connected. Here if you want to connect branch student, this is the one f0 by 1.20, and connected f1 to connect branch spare f0 by 1.20, it's connected. If you want to connect branch with management 0 by 1.67, and this is for the serial 0 by 0, they are all connected. And moving on to the John switch, let's take a look at the basic configuration for the switch. Here I'm going to show run. Here we have configured the host name John's, enable secret, no IP domain look. Here we have configured interface 0 by 6 here, which is connected to the VLAN 10 student host, which port access VLAN 10. It is connected to here. Jones is connected to interface 6 is connected to the student host PC4 and gigabit Ethernet. Here it is also switch port mode trunk access, which is connected to the branch, and this is the interface VLAN 10 IP address 10.0.6.2 5.5.5.0, the IP default gateway 10.0.6.10, line data. Now we are also gonna verify the trunk configuration with the command show interface trunk. Here all the like ports are active and they are correct. Gigabit 1, it's also trunking, and VLANs allowed on the trunk 12005. So that means VLANs allowed and active in management domain is 1 by 10. So this is the forwarding state, the port gigabit 1 by 10. And finally I'm gonna configure the VLAN. Here VLAN names, all the VLANs which are active are shown here. VLAN 10 active. Here the VLAN type and all of the VLANs which are assigned to it are all active. Here are shown here the table. Now lastly I'm gonna configure the IP configuration of the PC. This will show us the correct IP address which is assigned to this PC. So IP configuration here is shown in our case study. The IP address for the PC4 is 0.10.0.26.1. This is the one, and the subnet mask is 255.255.5.0. and the sub gateway is 10.0.26.10. Now we are going to verify that the PC4 can ping PC1 and PC2. First of all, I'm going to verify if PC4 can ping PC1 10.0.22.36. And 36. Here we got reply from the PC1. Next we are going to ping PC2 10.0.22.2. Here we got reply from the PC2 as well. Now I'm going to ping the loop back 1.1.1.1. Here I got reply from the ping 1.1.1 as well. Now we are going to configuration of mains. Here this is the mains. Show the basic configuration for this. Class. Here show run. Here we have configured the hostname main, enable secret, no IP domain lookup, and now we have configured interface 0x0, IP address 209.165.174, and this is the IP net outside, and interface 0x1. This is the IP address 10.0.25.5.25.24. This is a separate mask, and this is the IP net inside. We have configured interface serial, and this is the IP address, and this is IP net inside and the clock rate. Interface 0x0.0x1, IP net inside, and this is the IP address, clock rate, and this is the router OSPF1. Here IP net inside source list 199, interface 0x0 is overload. Here IP net inside source static route is 10.0.0 22.22, and this is like 209.161.200.41 IP classless, and this is the IP route. Here line width. Now I'm gonna show IP net constellations. This is I've got PC inside global, inside local. I'm gonna see if our PC can access the outside networks. Ping. Which is assigned to the mains IP addresses 209.165.199.74. Here we got a request from the IP address which is assigned to the main. And now I'm gonna see the translations. Here we have got inside global, outside local, and outside global as well. And it can access IP addresses. IP ping. 0 dot 22.1 Here we also get the reply from 10.0.22.1, which is assigned the IP address assigned to the main. So that means here we have got statistic route. That means our NAT is functioning. This is the proof that our NAT is working and it's functioning. We have got 2 proofs for that. So that's all about, thank you, and that's all about my part.